But what are some ways that I could utilize in getting ranked like in that suggested file, or what are some other strategies that you can use to ensure that you can reach your viewers, at the right time? As I heard Myron Golden say, your objectives is to become findable. So how could you utilize YouTube as that platform to become findable for the
Sure.
people who are looking for you?
Oh man, that's a great question. And I love Myron's content. And if you've watched the ascent of his YouTube channel, and he talks about how he was at like maybe 30,000 subscribers and then took off into the stratosphere just by upping the amount of content he was creating, right? But to stay on target with your question, you're asking how someone would take, now that they've got their avatar, now that they've got who their audience is, how do you take and rank that content in so that people are seeing it in the search in YouTube? Perfect.
Exactly.
So the first thing, Jeff, number one, make dope content.
Okay.
It's really that's the start of
But
it, right?
sometimes you think your content is dope.